Nothing but a beauty queen. She make it look so easy. No one else can compare. She know what she doing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Salisi. In today's video, we are going to make a bob wig on a medium cap. It is bob season. It is fall, so let's get into it. If you guys are new here, hi guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how literally I can make a bob wig in less than an hour, construction wise. I am going to color her jet black. This is a custom order, and she was ordered to be black. So I'm going to show you guys how I make a closure 6x6 bob wig. When I make a bob, because I hate a thick bob, I like a nice flowy, you know, body bob. I like to use 2 bundles when I'm using a 6x6 closure. If you're using a frontal, you can still use 2 bundles. It's just gonna be a little thicker. It really depends on your preference. I know some people who use 3 bundles even when making a closure, and I feel like it's not necessary if your bundles are thick enough. So we're using 2 bundles. I have a few bundles here because I'm making multiple of these wigs. If you guys would like to shop my collection, shop crownsforqueens.com if you would like to achieve a flawless look, okay? So no, even when I'm using a bob, I still like to use not longer lace, not longer, what is it called? Hair, but this is 14 inches. Now granted, we are gonna cut majority of this, but when you use, if you was to use a 12 inch or a 10 inch, which I don't even know if they carry 10 inch closures, but if you was to use a 12 inch, I just feel like when you go to cut it, like imagine the bob stopping like here. If you do too short of a closure, your bob is gonna look thin. So longer closure, so when you cut it, it still gives full. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't want your closure to be stopping up here and then your bundles are stopping down here. That's not cute. You want your closures to be the same length as your bundles, if not longer, so that when you cut it, it's given from the front to the back. You know what I'm saying? And I got some tea. I'm drinking, this is some pumpkin spice tea. Did I get this from Trader Joe's? I don't know where I got this from. Maybe it is from Trader Joe's. It's pumpkin spice black tea, and then I added a little bit of pumpkin spice coffee creamer to make like a chai latte type of vibe. So good. Okay, let's get started. So we have our 14 inch closure. We're going to sew 2 bundles of 12 inch, and then we're going to cut it to about a 10 inch bob, which is gonna sit at your shoulder, a little bit past your shoulder, but you can always cut it more. I always do between 8 and 10 inch bobs because those are like, you know, just perfect. And then yeah, that's really it. If you guys would like to take a class from me on how to make a wig, go ahead and head over to crownsforqueens.com. All my classes are listed there. I do one-on-ones, and the classes that are online are virtual. But you can choose what kind of class you want to take.
and slick hands flow. Got your bitch around me, nigga, ain't a plan when I'm coming for the kitty, got my full goddamn. Do it for my niggas in the coast right there. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, live a dream to the hills, and they wonder for the boy right now. Got a hand with a time with a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me now? Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Freaky nigga, show me some. Shake it like it owe me some. Push it on the pussy like a button. Came for a time, fake round, you good. Still getting rowdy in a function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit bumpin', thumpin', bumpin', jumpin', yeah.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Yeah, peace and South Beach. Gotta cop into this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She say, but I live in the hills. That's just the way I sleep. That madness, I'm a savage. In traffic with Nike Evans. Bad bitch, that's just Spanish. So I ain't got a pencil. We get nasty, I'm a daddy. She know a nigga ain't average. Ain't nothing wrong with fake asses. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic. I'm geeking, I'm on it. Don't look at me like you want it. Tell them that we ain't starting it. Fourth down, we ain't blowing it. King of this track, I love it. Can't come here without a permit. This shit really a trouble. They feel listen and they start to
Somebody all around me. I look like I'm a man. But I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold right. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, right.
What I did last night, I came home, say around 2:45, still so high, hypnotized in a trance from this body, so buttery brown and tantalizing. You would have thought I needed help from this feeling that I felt. So shook, I had to catch my breath. water got me drowning. Looking for a condom in my trousers. My baby likes to play around for hours. Fuck that, turn around, girl, let's get nasty. I know you got a lot of ass to handle. Let's turn off the lights and light a candle. Fucking you so crazy in your bathroom until you make our way to your mansion. I fuck you like a madman. No, baby, I'm a bad. That pussy dripping down on my leg. I turn fucking you to a passion. I fuck you like a madman. No, baby, I'm a bad man. That pussy dripping down on my leg. I turn fucking you to a passion. Never doubt my babies till I met you. The way you're riding me, we might just have some. Touch you up and eat you down for breakfast.